Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to change your Steam username on a PC or laptop. And if this video does help you out today, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Also, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. So in order to change this, it's actually very simple, but if you are new to Steam, it can be a bit tricky to find. So what you're going to want to do first is obviously load up Steam and go ahead and log into your account. And you can do this on either the Steam app or the web-based version. It's all down to personal preference. The steps are the same. I just prefer to use the actual Steam app. So yeah, what you want to do is just go ahead and log into your account, and then you're going to get to the home screen, which looks like this. And you can see at the moment my username is here, Kung Fu Panda. And as I say, to change it, it's very simple. All you want to do is either come to your name here, or you can just click on the drop down box here, and then you want to click onto View My Profile. So once you get to this page, this has got all your profile information. And all you're going to want to do is locate the edit profile button, which should be just over here to the right hand side. Go and give that a click. And then what you can do is just scroll down slightly and make sure in the menu on the left hand side you're on the general tab over here. And then what you want to do is just scroll down until you get to the general section down here. And you can see that it says profile name. So you would just go ahead and change it here. So I'm just going to change it to Digital Tutor. So as before, it's Kung Fu Panda, but I'm going to change it to Digital Tutor. Then all you would do is just scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page, and then just click this blue Save button. So once you've done that, you can see that the changes take effect almost straight away. You can see it's now saying Digital Tutor in both of the sections here, rather than Kung Fu Panda. And you can see it says it here. So if I actually come back to this View My Profile, and you can see that's changed there. Oh, and also another thing is if you actually click onto this drop down box here, you can see your previous aliases, so your previous usernames. So you can see Kung Fu Panda showing under there because that's another name that I've played under. But that's how you do it, so I hope you did find that helpful, and if that did help, then please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.